Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you're getting P0501 vehicle speed sensor range performance code. If you're getting this code, you either got a faulty vehicle speed sensor or a faulty wheel speed sensor. This is a vehicle speed sensor and this is a wheel speed sensor. So the purpose of the wheel speed sensor is to monitor the rotational speed of each wheel. And this is going to be a vehicle speed sensor and it is going to be mounted directly on the transmission by the output shaft area. And of course, the purpose of the vehicle speed sensor is to monitor the rotational speed of the output shaft. And of course, if there's something wrong with the vehicle speed sensor, for example, if you look at the gear right here, you can see that it has broken off and this will cause erratic signal and it can trigger P0501 code. Also, there's a lot of different type of vehicle speed sensor, and there's another type of vehicle speed sensor which is going to be electromagnetic. And if you pull out the vehicle speed sensor and you see that it is covered in metal particles, that can also trigger P0501 code because it is going to cause the vehicle speed sensor to give out erratic signal. Now the same thing goes to the wheel speed sensor. So if you look at the wheel speed sensor and if you pull out the wheel speed sensor and if you see it coated in the brake dust, or it is covered in metal particles caused by maybe a failing wheel bearing, again, it can cause the wheel speed sensor to give out erratic signal. So of course, before you do anything, always pull out the sensor and try to clean it with carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner. And of course, always check the condition of the sensor and make sure it is not broken. In addition to that, I always check the wire condition. I always check the connector, because if you look at this one right here, you can see that it is covered in engine oil. And of course, that can cause the signal to become poor as well. Same thing goes to the wheel speed sensor, and I always check the wire condition and I always check the connector condition, because due to its location, water can get inside the wheel speed sensor wire area and connector area, and it can cause the pins to become corroded. If the vehicle speed sensor is not the issue and the wheel speed sensor is not the issue, the next thing I suggest looking at is going to be the reluctor. So there's going to be a reluctor directly on the axle, and if a rock got caught on the reluctor, or there's a buildup of sand or mud directly on the reluctor, it can cause the wheel speed sensor to give out erratic signal. So again, make sure to check the reluctor and make sure it is not damaged as well. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.